In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert a task to a subtask in Jira. If you've ever created a task and later realized it really belongs underneath a larger story or feature, this process is exactly what you need. The good news is that Jira gives you a built-in way to change the issue hierarchy without having to recreate the ticket from scratch. That means you can keep your existing work history, comments, and tracking details together while organizing the issue properly. To get started, open your preferred web browser and sign into your Jira site. Once you're on the main dashboard, go to the top navigation bar, click Projects, and open the project where the task currently lives. This is important because you want to be working inside the correct project before making any structural changes. After the project loads, find the task you want to convert. You can scroll through the backlog, board, or issue list, or use the search bar if that's faster. Once you've located the issue, click the issue key or title to open its details. Depending on your Jira layout, this may open in a side panel or in a full issue view. With the issue open, move to the upper right corner of the issue window and click the three-dot menu. This is where Jira keeps additional issue actions. From that dropdown, choose Convert to Subtask. This will open the conversion wizard and guide you through the rest of the process. Next, you'll need to choose the parent issue. Look for the field labeled Select Parent Issue, then click into it and start typing the key or title of the story, feature, or issue that should become the parent. Jira will show matching results as you type. Select the correct parent issue from the list, then click Next to continue. At this stage, Jira may ask you to remap fields or adjust workflow-related settings. This happens because tasks and subtasks can use different statuses, screens, or required fields. Review everything carefully and make sure the mapped values make sense. If Jira asks you to choose a new status or confirm field values, complete that before moving on. Then click Next again. On the final confirmation screen, take a moment to review the conversion details. Make sure the issue is being assigned to the correct parent and that the fields look accurate. It's also a good idea to confirm that the issue history, attachments, comments, and assignee information will remain intact. Once everything looks good, click Finish. Jira will complete the conversion and place the issue under the selected parent as a subtask. And that's it. Your task is now successfully converted into a subtask in Jira. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you.